in this one, we're going to be building an outdoor spot to fingerboard at right in my backyard. Using some inspiration from Mike Schneider, we're going to use some cheap but effective materials to build a spot to put obstacles all year round. Alright y'all, so when I first got back into fingerboarding a couple years ago, I remember coming across the Flat Face documentary. And in that video, it shows Mike Schneider fingerboarding at kind of like a stand-up half-pipe in his backyard. Ever since I've seen that, I wanted to build something just like it. It looks pretty simple. It's like 4 or 5 cinder blocks on a base with a capstone, and then you kind of put whatever you want on top. So I want to make something just like that in my backyard. I have a spot back there that would be absolutely perfect, so let's go to the hardware store, get some supplies, and get started. So quick note, I did notice while editing this, the one Mike built actually does not have a base, but I chose to use a base when building mine to make it easier to mow around. So you can kind of keep that in mind when building yours. If you have grass around it, maybe use a base, but if not, you probably don't need one. Alright, so now it is all done and ready to sesh. I already got a couple of clips in on the half pipe. The half pipe fits perfectly on the cinder blocks, but I gotta say I like it a little bit more with a wooden board on top. I got this wooden board a long time ago at Home Depot. I think it only costs maybe 10 bucks or so. Don't quote me on that. But it works perfectly to put on top. And as long as I keep my obstacles kind of in the middle and keep it balanced, everything kind of works out. Obviously, you don't want to overload one side, it will topple over. But this worked great for me for making the surface area a little bit larger. So I gotta say, overall, I'm really impressed with how this came out. It was very simple, it was super cheap overall, but very effective. It's the perfect spot to go out in the morning and bring my coffee, bring an obstacle, and just kind of get ready for the day, kind of relax, and kind of take things in. If you have space somewhere, if you have space in your backyard and you want to do something like this, I highly encourage you to. It was very cheap overall. The cinder blocks, the capstone, and the base all together only cost about 22 bucks. Throw in, make it 25 with tax and all that. Either way, a very cheap price point for something that will pretty much last forever and that I can use all year round. So thank you so much for joining me today on this journey. I will see you again in the next video, and don't forget, I have my own website, www.anxiettyoffline.com. I sell a whole array of concrete obstacles and supplies. And that's really about it, so please leave a like and a comment. Let me know if you're gonna build something just like this in your backyard. And I'll see you again soon. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.